Seattle Premium Outlets, North Seattle. It's been a year now. Our travel squad, shopping squad. What is that?
I think bagay na sa'yo.
Oh no, I'm not wearing those.
Look, I think.
What's up, guys? So we just finished shopping spree here at North Seattle Premium Outlet, and it's freezing cold, 29 degrees, bruh. Look, it's like cigarette. So this is how it feels like. And what time is it? Like still 6:30 and 6:30, right?
We're supposed to go to Snowflake Lane. It's too late.
Yeah, and like what I said, it's freezing cold in here. And good thing that it didn't rain. Right there. Oh, shop again? Oh, they spent a lot today. Are you okay, Chang?
I am.
Alright, right on.
We're smoking.
This vlogger. This vlogger. Ice forms. It is ice. Ooh, this car is an ice. You could do ice skating over here.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
And it's
I feel like
freezing.
my hand's gonna stick on this.
Dang.
Man, it's ice.
I know. Your eyes.
You can just...
Your eyes are bright.
Okay, you go in the other side. Oh no, I want you to sit beside me.
Sit beside me, sit beside me. Lock it, love, lock. Lock it. Yeah, lock that. Lock the door.
You're already sing.
Oh my god. Oh, sorry.
One of those beautiful days because it's not raining, and I woke up early today because I dropped off Ian, and some very important person is coming over. He will be in shortly. They will be in shortly, sorry. So with that, I am preparing a little bit of something to grind. So here's my table setup. The food is not yet ready because I am preheating it, and I just made lumpia. I just got done making lumpia. Right there. And then I will be reheating the food so when they arrive, the food is warm. Fried rice, sisig, lumpia, beef afritada, pancit bihon, pupus, steako, chocolates and more, Tabasco, and the Filipino shoyu. And this is it. So I'm just waiting for them to arrive. As soon as they arrive, we need to dig in because I am hungry. I just got a text that they're here. Let's see. I can hear them. It's cool. I need to go back.
Can you take two?
So here they are.
Hello?
Guys, hi Emmy. Thanks for watching our vlogs.
I know, right?
Crazy.
I like your jacket.
I thought what's that? Huh? Kaloka. Come in. Here's your the slippers. It's cold. Yan, use that.
Okay.
So-
do you want red or?
Ay, kaloka. Come on, you guys. Let's eat.
We're honored to be here.
Nice.
Your beautiful home, and we're so glad that we could spend today with you.
Alright guys, we're gonna eat, so see you guys later. Bye. Oh, we miss Ian today. He's working.
Yeah.
So we'll see him later.
So what?
Yeah, we'll see him later. Bye!
Sum it up, don't let it add up. Breathe it up, don't take it in. Do it all, just don't remember. Holy up, commit your sin.